How to create round vanes in PractiCAD. The easiest way to get round vanes in PractiCAD is to simply import them from PractiCam. However, if you do not have PractiCam, you can create them here. To create a new round vane, we're going to go into the library icon on the PractiCAD ribbon. We're going to maximize our window, come over to the left on our browser, and we're going to scroll down until we get to accessories, open up our list of choices, and currently our last choice happens to be round vanes. When we click on it, PractiCAD is going to open up a list of all of the current available vanes we have and give us the ability to import from PractiCam. If we would like to create a new vane, we must click on the green Create a New Item, check. PractiCAD is now going to create a new vane for us, ask us to name it. Here we're going to call it PCAD Vanes and hit Enter. And now we just need to select all of the parameters we'd like to use. Now the parameters for round vanes are identical to the tutorials in turning vanes. There are 4 basic parameters. Vane spacing, which dictates the spacing between vanes. You can see here looking inside this fitting, if we make them 2 inches, it means there's a 2-inch gap between these particular vanes here. If we make them 4 inches, there'll be a 4-inch gap. So we can set the vane spacing. Next we need to set the size of the blade width. You can see here when we're looking here in front view, which also would be the view from plan view many times, the width of the vanes. If you'd like to make it larger, just change it to the size you'd like. This way they're going to view in your drawing in the way you'd like to plot them. The last 2 parameters we have are material and lining allowance. These 2 parameters do not have much effect on the draftsman. They are manufacturing parameters. They do not download from PractiCAD to PractiCam. They are only here for consistency because they exist inside the accessories section for round vanes in PractiCam. However, these parameters are reportable, so if you did want to print a report of elbows and specify the material of the vanes inside, you can choose the proper material and also whether the lining allowance is single or double. And in the tutorials in PractiCam, we go over how to utilize this.